Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use Lowe's credit card online. First, open your web browser and go to the official Lowe's website. If you already have an account on Lowe's website, sign in using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. Look for a sign in or create account link on the website's homepage. Browse through Lowe's online store and add the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button next to each item. Once you have added all the items you want to buy, click on the shopping cart icon or the checkout button to proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, you'll reach a page where you can review your order. Look for the section where you can choose your payment method. In the payment options, select credit card as your payment method. You will be prompted to enter your Lowe's credit card information. This typically includes your credit card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address associated with the card. Double check the entered information to ensure accuracy. Once verified, proceed to confirm your order. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You may need to enter any additional information required for shipping or delivery if applicable. After successfully placing your order, you should receive a confirmation email and confirmation page on the Lowe's website. Keep this confirmation for your records. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.